After the recent election debates where pollution and the state of the Yamuna River were hot topics, the battle to clean the Yamuna has finally begun. The Delhi government authorities have deployed trash skimmers, weed harvesters and dredgers to start clearing the river, while a comprehensive approach is being rolled out to prevent further contamination. Authorities plan to make all of its sewage treatment plants, including 6 new ones, fully operational within the next 2 years in order to halt the flow of untreated sewage and industrial waste into the Yamuna. The additional Chief Secretary, Naveen Chaudhary, has stated that the aim is to have the Yamuna cleaned by December of 2027. The entire 57-kilometer stretch of the Yamuna in Delhi from Haryana, where it enters the city, to the Uttar Pradesh border where it exits, will be cleaned. The LG Saxena's 4-pronged strategy is in place. It focuses on removing garbage, cleaning major drains, and ensuring strict monitoring of existing plants. Additionally, new decentralized treatment plants are being constructed to improve wastewater management.
One by one, we'll show you the visuals as to how the machines are cleaning, how the weed harvesters are being used, and not just that, but how this entire silt is being removed from Yamuna. And in fact, that's why we are in the center of the, that is why we are center of, in fact, this particular Chhat Ghat. And in fact, through the visuals, you can see that how this entire area is being cleaned. Remember that this particular cleaning drive was always in the question since past 10 years as to why Yamuna was not cleaned. People had to suffer a lot during Chhat Pujas, and that's why several questions were raised on the government. And in fact, remember that a committee was already formed, and that committee already had started its work that was chaired by LG, but then the work was halted because Aam Aadmi Party knocked the doors of Supreme Court, post that this particular mission to clean the Yamuna was halted. But as of now, what we are getting to know is that this entire plan to clean Yamuna is of 3 years. The deadline is of 3 years. However, the officials believe that this will in fact be completed in the span of 2 years, because remember that all the agencies are working in the coordination. The agencies are involved: MCD, Delhi Jal Board, Environment Department, PWD and the Delhi Development Authority as well. And in fact, remember that the DPCC has already been, asked to keep a strict vigil on discharge of untreated effluent into drains by the industrial units. And that is why this extensive project, which has already, the extensive project to clean Yamuna has already begun. You can see that particular machine, how it is cleaning the water. And in fact, we would also like to show you the visuals that how the water is as of now is dirty over here. It's completely black.
The deadline is for 3 years, that is December 2027. And we are confident that we will complete the exercise by then or well before that. There are 2-3 key elements of this. One is the removal of all solid waste. As you can see, it is going on war footing in Yamuna. Had you come a day before and today, it is a sea change in Yamuna. If we meet all the timelines, by December 2026, no untreated sewage will come into Yamuna. Third element, key element, is a stoppage of all industrial effluents coming into Yamuna. Large number of people are throwing their puja samagris and other things.
So you mean to say there will be the guidelines that will be made?
We will be guidelines. Apart from guidelines, we will try to make them sensitive to the fact that what they are doing and what can be done in a better alternate way.
Froth is there over the Yamuna. How will you avoid that? Because we don't, in fact, it's difficult to understand ki Jhaag mein Yamuna, Yamuna mein Jhaag hai. That is kind of situation. People have to take a dip in such kind of polluted water. How will you resolve that?
2027, there will be nothing.
There will be nothing.
There will be nothing.